Starting a recycling company can be an exciting and rewarding venture. It's about doing something great for the environment while creating a thriving business. First things first, you need to find your niche. The recycling industry is vast, with options like paper, plastic, metal, or electronics. Think about what interests you and also what's in demand in your area. For example, if you notice a lot of electronic waste, starting an e-waste recycling company might be the way to go. It's about matching your passion with opportunity. Next, research the local regulations. Recycling businesses often need permits or licenses to operate legally. It might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. LegalRegistration.com can help you with the incorporation process, making it much smoother. Trust me, having all your paperwork sorted out is a huge relief. Now, let's talk about the money part. You'll need to figure out your startup costs. This includes equipment, location expenses, and initial marketing. You might want to explore funding options like small business loans or grants. Sometimes there are government incentives for green businesses. Keep an eye out for those. One often overlooked but critical aspect is finding reliable buyers for the recycled materials you'll process. Whether it's manufacturers looking for raw materials or wholesalers specializing in recyclable goods, securing consistent clients ensures a steady revenue stream. Start building these partnerships early so you have a market ready for your products as soon as your operations are up and running. Once your business is set up, think about how you'll collect materials. Will you partner with local businesses, set up drop-off points, or maybe even offer pickup services? Each option has its pros and cons, so choose what fits best with your business model. Then there's the team. You might start solo, but as your business grows, hiring the right people becomes crucial. Look for folks who share your passion for recycling and have the skills to help your company thrive. A strong team can make all the difference. Marketing your business is key. Let people know who you are and what you do. Use social media, attend local events, or even host workshops to engage with your community. Word of mouth is powerful, especially in industries that focus on sustainability. Finally, always be looking for ways to improve. The recycling industry is constantly evolving with new technologies and methods. Stay informed, adapt, and innovate. Being ahead of the curve can set you apart from the competition. Starting a recycling company is a journey, but with the right steps, it can lead to success. Remember, LegalRegistration.com is there to assist you with incorporation services. Visit LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We're here to support your entrepreneurial journey.